In this video, we'll explore the task side menu in Iterop Play. This menu is divided into three main sections: Tasks, Other Actions, and History. Let's start with the Tasks section. At the top, a Display Mode button allows you to group your tasks by task group or by process. These two views help you tailor the interface to your workflow and make it easier to filter through the tasks you need to complete. If you only have a few active tasks, you can simply select All Tasks. A search bar is also available to quickly find a specific task or process. On the right side of each line, a number indicates how many tasks are pending for each process. A specific color is assigned to each process to improve visibility. If you have a long list, click the Expand button to view all available items. The next section, Other Actions, includes tasks that are optional and context-dependent. This section was previously known as background tasks. These tasks appear here because they were marked as optional during process configuration. Finally, the last section is History. This is where you can review the tasks you've already completed and the processes you've started. This is a read-only view. The data displayed cannot be edited. If you click on a completed task, you'll see in the task view that the date tag is green, confirming its completed status. The date shown corresponds to when you finalized the task. This allows you to easily double-check any task you've completed or process you've initiated. Thanks to this side menu, you get a clear, organized view to efficiently track, manage, and retrieve all your tasks in Iterop Play.